All right, we are going to be looking at some nonlinear models in section 5.7. And the three types of models that we'll be looking at are exponential, logarithmic, and something new called a logistic model. So you're familiar with exponential functions. That's just when the variable is in the exponent, and here your base is b. So that's exponential. This function is logarithmic. You have a constant plus another constant times the natural log of x, and x is inside the log, so that means it's a logarithmic function. And then this is a logistic function. Here we have a constant c divided by 1 plus another constant times e to the minus bx, where b is another constant. So here we have constants a and b, here also, and then here we have A, B, and C. And in the logistics model, A, B, and C are greater than 0. They're positive constants. All right, so let's take a look at the data that's going to be modeled by each of these functions. So exponential, you're going to have, let's see here. You're going to have a scatter plot of data that looks something like this. It's going to be increasing rapidly. And you've seen that, that's called exponential growth, or if it is decreasing rapidly, we'd call that exponential decline. Now here, with a logarithmic function, it's going to be, the data is going to look more something like, it is growing, but the growth is slowing down as you progress. So it's going to look something more like that. This to me, I think of that as bending upward, and this is bending downward. And with the logistics model, you've got it starts out kind of like an exponential function. It's increasing rapidly. But then suddenly, as time goes on, then it levels off. It's still increasing, but there's kind of a limit to the growth. And that limit is a horizontal asymptote. And it turns out the equation of that asymptote is y equals c. So this is exponential, logarithmic, logistic. So logistic has two horizontal asymptotes. One is the axis here, the horizontal axis. And then the other one is the one that kind of is y equals c, where c is the numerator of the model function. All right, so we're going to take a look at more in-depth data here, some examples in the PowerPoint. So I'm going to end this video, and then the next video we'll take a deeper dive into this.